आकाशीत दिसरात स्वप्न तुका दिखता घोडार चितून तुका घोडयता हे मोगा हेणे तेणे आट समजता कित्याक मुनार म्हाका परवा तुका ना हांव तुका मदींच स्वर्ग मोतीन चिंतना कित्याक सणून गेलें म्हाका सजमना जुलियना
मोगा तुका याद आसा मोगा तुका याद आसा त्या दिसा मोगा तुका याद आसा त्या दिसा चंद्रीम कुपात हासतालो चाफो फुलून वतालो चंद्रीम कुपात हासतालो चाफो फुलून वतालो चाफ्याचेलो खोटून तुवें म्हाज्या केसांत खोयलेलो
सूर्या एकूच दोगांय आसना तशेंच तुज्या जिवा दुसरो म्हाका ना दोऱ्यांत सुकती बोगती येवची चुकोना तुका पळयल्या शिवाय कांयच रुचोना इफेरनांतल्यान सोड दिसोना तुज्या बरोबर म्हाका दुसरो सोंपना काळजान घर बांदलां कुणाक सुवात ना फकत तुका जाणी सांगची गरज ना.
Close your eyes and I'll kiss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. Remember I'll always be true. And then while I'm away, I'll write home every day, and I'll send all my loving to you. And I'll pretend that I'm kissing the lips I am missing, and I hope that someday will come true. And then while I'm away, I write home every day, and I'll send all my loving to you.
I'll bring you more than a song, for a song in itself, it's not what you have required. You search much deeper within, through the way things appear. You're looking into my heart. I'm coming back to the heart of worship, when it's all about you, when it's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the things I made.
Tamrele rozu munito soglo walkot makagaw. Walki sharwalya parsha gemponglian kamu kutahaw. Rosta toltana patlan re lakta chedya che pursaw. Kon makaha chocolate hadundi hitai, kon makaha picture akko hitai, kon makaha best zakwa hitai, kon makaha poishe takko hitai.
Eka gurib korabian Devan burgo tilolon Puluk subit distalon Gora bosu buitaro Mena cibauli purim Devan usto tilolon.
The sun won't shine, you've seen it before. It's only too worry. Every day's another climb, nothing will change. Believe me when I tell you.
And all in all, I know it's you. It always pulls me to. And if you reach deep inside, see my heart is true. 'Cause I hate the way I feel tonight, and I know I need you in my life. 'Cause I hate the way I feel inside, and I promise to make the sacrifice.
If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer.
Look, they so raso kelo nuta chukni doriya cha larar buta arvis kalchi rapon ota durgi matiechi goragota
কালিজ নিব আইকন খবৰ চানলৈ মূৰৰ মাগা জানে যাব ফুটকি ৰমত কৰি গোট মাখা বেঙে তৰি আকাৰতা আও দুকা চৌজৰি
सांगो तन्नेरो गदाव ताशिरांनी सोयरीको दारार आमच्या मारतात हजरांनी पूण न्हवऱ्याचे याते बारकाय सदमोना सायबिरी ते वच्चे वचन मोटको खेळटात रातचे शारांनी कोण चेडो पोरूंक सोदता आमी दाद मोजी हांव सांगता पळयता काताळणे जावचे राजी
Have a dream, a song to sing, to help me cope with anything. If you see the wonder of a fairy tale, you can change the future, even if you fail.
If you play by keeps. Take the gun and count to 3. I'm sweating now, moving slow. No time to think. My turn to go, and you can see my heart beating.
I know you think that I shouldn't still love you or tell you that. But if I did and say it, well, I still don't felt it. Where's the sense in that? I promise I'm not trying to make your life harder. I pretend to every word. Do you understand? Do you feel the same? Am I only dreaming? Is this burning an eternal flame? I believe it's meant to be, darling. I watched you when you were sleeping. You belong with me. Do you feel the same?
त्या दिसा वडाकडे गडद तिणसाना मंद मंद वाजत आयली तुझी गो पायजणा मौन पडले सगळ्या राना शिरशिरून थांबली पाना मौन पडले सगळ्या राना शिरशिरून थांबली पाना कवळ्या तणा जाग आयली झेमता झेमताना
Face some Bobby Chepayano like Millie. Hey, walk on la songs I rupan sarke Julie. face some Bobby Che, Payanui like Millie. Toslengunas leye yadawon, Tokla Torawon, Lost I, Shibaba.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the judges as well. A big round of applause for Godfrey, Sandy, Fraser, and of course, Sigmund is also here. And now here we go. The semi-finalists first, Udayan Nipankar. The next name that I have here, again a finalist last year, Swarupa Naik. Elvis Lobo. And another semi-finalist who has made it to Kingfisher Voice of Goa 2011 is Sheila Naik. Mahesh Sardesai. It's time to declare the winners as well now. In third place today, and I'm sure you will agree with me that this was one of the best performances this evening, that of Rajeshri Kamath. In second place, Mr. Samir Kurtadkar. In first place today with a dynamic, wonderful, astounding performance, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the lady in red, at least she was when she was singing that song, Ivala, the winner of today's audition, winning a cash prize of rupees 5,000.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.